So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about the muscles of the head and neck, including extraocular muscles, muscles of mastication, hyoidal muscles, and the facial muscles also included, and the muscles of neck also included, है ना? So guys, in this video I will give you only the name of the all the muscles, है ना? So in next video I will explain from where this muscle will originate and from where this muscle get inserted, है ना? So firstly we are talk about the muscles of mastications. Muscles of mastications include it has four muscles, है ना? Temporalis muscle, masseter muscle, lateral pterygoid muscle, and the medial pterygoid muscles, है ना? मसल्स ऑफ मास्टिकेशन गाइज इट मीन्स व्हेन वी ईट फूड, है ना? जब हम फूड को चबाते हैं तब ये जो चार मसल्स हैं ये हेल्प करते हैं उसमें, है ना? सो दीज आर फोर मसल्स ऑफ मास्टिकेशंस, है ना? सो सेकंड इज द हायोइडल मसल्स. Hyoidal like suprahyoid muscles. Suprahyoid muscles include stylohyoid. Suprahyoid means like when this is my hyoid bone, so above this hyoid bone muscles present called as suprahyoid muscles. So suprahyoid muscles include stylohyoid muscles, mylohyoid muscles, geniohyoid muscles, digastric muscle, and digastric muscle also has two belly, anterior belly and posterior belly, and the hyoglossus muscle. In some book this muscle include, or in some this is not included, na? So don't worry about it. So another is the, so guys, this firstly we are talk about है ना suprahyoid. Stylo means the stylo process of the temporal bone from where this muscle is originate, and the hyoid muscles where this muscle will get inserted. So name the stylohyoid muscles. Origin from the stylo process and insert into the hyoid bone, है ना? Mylohyoid, myelo related with the molars, है ना? Like mylohyoid line is present in mandible, है ना? From where this muscle originate and hyoid and inserted into the hyoid bone. So mylohyoid. Geniohyoid related with genial tubercles. Genial tubercles which is present on posterior surface of the symphysis menti of the mandible, है ना? ये मैं आपको सब बताऊंगा ना, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सेपरेट वीडियोज बनाऊंगा ना, तब आपको ओरिजिन, इंसर्शन और नर्व सप्लाई सब बताऊंगा ना. सो अनदर डाइगेस्ट्रिक चूइंग मसल्स एंटीरियर एंड पोस्टीरियरली. सो गाइज वी आर नेक्स्ट इज द infrahyoid muscles. Infrahyoid muscles it also has four muscles: superficial and deep muscles. Two superficial, two deep muscles. Superficial muscle are sternohyoid, omohyoid. Omohyoid also has the superior belly and the inferior belly. Sternohyoid also, like this muscle origin from the sternum below and the attached to the hyoid upper. Infrahyoid मैंने बताया, infrahyoid the muscles which is present below the hyoid muscle. So these are the infrahyoid muscles. Omo related with the sternum, है ना? स्टर्नम से रिलेटेड होता है. नो स्टर्नम नहीं, स्कैफुला. ठीक है. तो डीप मसल्स, टू डीप मसल्स, थायरोहाइड एंड द स्टर्नोथायरॉइड. ठीक है. एक्स्ट्राओक्यूलर मसल्स विच प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड द आई ऑर्बिट, है ना? आई ऑर्बिट के बाहर प्रेजेंट होती हैं. लाइक इट हैज़ टू टाइप ऑफ मसल्स, वॉलेंट्री मसल्स एंड इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स. वॉलेंट्री मसल्स वो होती हैं जो हमारे कंट्रोल्स में होती हैं. इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स जो हमारा ऑटोनोमिक नर्वस सिस्टम कंट्रोल करता है. सो इट हैज़ सुपीरियर रेक्टस मसल, inferior rectus muscle, medial rectus, lateral rectus muscle, superior oblique, inferior oblique, and levator palpebrae superior. This muscle help to elevate the upper eyelid. Okay. And now infrahyoid muscles, involuntary muscles. Superior tarsal muscle, it also called as molar muscles, it also elevate the upper eyelid. And inferior tarsal muscle, it depress the lower eyelid. And orbitalis muscle, these are the involuntary muscles on which autonomic nervous system work, है ना? These are not in our control. And this is the intraocular muscles, the muscles which is present inside the eyeball, like sphincter pupillae, dilator pupillae, ciliaris muscle. Sphincter pupillae help to the constrict the pupillae, and the dilator pupillae helps to dilate the pupillae, है ना? So we are talk about, so next muscles are the facial muscles. Facial muscles has scalp muscles, the muscles which So guys, now we are talk about the facial muscles. Facial muscles has scalp muscles, orbital muscles, ear ossicle muscles, nose muscles, mouth muscles, and the neck muscles. है ना? So scalp muscle has occipito frontalis. eyelid the muscles है ना, हमने पहले बात की थी extra ocular muscles which is present outside the eyeball, and these muscles are present surround the orbital opening, है ना. So or first muscle orbicularis oculi, like if I explain you, like this is my face, these are my eyebrows, and these are my eyes. So the muscles orbicularis and here my eyeball present. So these muscles surround this region, and I will explain this region. These muscles surrounds. So orbicularis oculi muscles have three parts: orbital part, palpebral part, lacrimal or deep part, or the corrugator supercilii part. And the levator palpebrae superioris, these two more muscles है ना. Ear, the muscles which surround the ear auricles है ना, ear or auricle, auricularis anterior, auricularis superior, auricularis posterior, and these muscles are the vestigial muscles. है ना. Nose muscle, the muscles which surround the nasal region, nose है ना, procerus and nasalis है ना. In nasalis include two muscles, compressor naris and dilator naris है ना, एंड वन मोर नोज मसल्स डिप्रेसर सेप्टाई नेजाई, ठीक है. एंड इन दिस एंड द नेक्स्ट इज द माउथ, द मसल्स विच सराउंड द माउथ है ना. सो गाइज आई दिस डॉटेड लाइन, आई विल ड्रॉ दिस डॉटेड लाइन, दिस है ना, लाइक दिस इज माई माउथ, दिस इज माई माउथ, these are my this is my mouth, and the above these dotted lines, those muscles present, like this dotted line, and those five muscles present above this line, and these four muscles below this line, ठीक है. So mouth muscles, levator labii superioris aliquot nasi muscle, levator labii superioris, levator anguli oris, zygomaticus minor, zygomaticus major, orbicularis oris, buccinator, rhizorius, depressor anguli oris, depressor labii inferioris, and the mentalis है ना. And last one, the neck muscle is include platysma है ना. So next is the muscles of the neck, superficial fascia, the muscles which is present to the superficial fascia nothing but just a connective tissue है ना. So this platysma muscle is present here in superficial fascia. In deep investing fascia, sternocleidomastoid muscle and the trapezius muscle are present है ना. And guys, paravertebral muscles are the muscles which cover the vertebra from side. These are the neck muscles, which include scalene muscles, scalene anterior, scalene medius, scalene posterior है ना. And the prevertebral muscles are present, the muscles which is present anterior to the vertebra include longus colli or longus cervicis है ना, longus capitis, rectus capitis anterior, rectus capitis lateralis, and also the pretracheal muscles which is present in the pretracheal fascia include the infrahyoid muscles है ना. In it sternohyoid muscles, sternothyroid muscles, thyrohyoid muscles, and the omohyoid muscles है ना guys. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel.